Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is XBow launches Buckler interceptor under $100,000 to counter Group 3 drones and ease Allied air defense cost pressure at scale. XBow Systems has launched Buckler, a flight-tested interceptor designed to defeat Group 3 drones at supersonic speeds. The company said the weapon is priced below $100,000 and built around an in-house airframe and propulsion system. The U.S. defense technology company presented Buckler as a lower-cost answer to the economics of drone warfare. It said adversaries are launching drones and cruise missiles in large numbers, making multimillion-dollar interceptors unsustainable against cheaper threats. Buckler is intended for U.S. and Allied forces seeking affordable interceptors that can be fielded in volume. XBow said the system is built at a fraction of the cost of current high-end defenses. You can't win a war of attrition trading million-dollar interceptors against $1,000 threats, said XBow founder and chief executive officer Jason Hundley. Buckler has flown, it comes in under $100,000, and we build its airframe and propulsion ourselves, the part of the industrial base that is so stressed by today's munitions demands. This is our answer to the call from the US and its allies: affordable capability, at scale. XBow said Buckler's value starts with its propulsion base. The company designs and builds Buckler's airframe, solid rocket motor, and propellant in-house. XBow said that vertical integration addresses one of the main industrial base constraints facing interceptor production. The company said solid rocket motors are a stressed part of the defense supply chain. By producing the motor and propellant itself, XBow said it can control cost, quality, and surge output. XBow said Buckler is supported by fixed and deployable manufacturing capacity. The same manufacturing approach is already delivering across multiple company programs. The launch follows a successful Buckler flight test. XBow said the test demonstrated propulsion and flight performance. The company said the flight result was supported by motor static fire and igniter testing. XBow said that record places Buckler beyond the concept stage. The interceptor arrives as US and Allied forces seek lower-cost ways to defeat drones at scale. XBow is positioning Buckler as a mass-producible option for a battlefield increasingly shaped by drone salvos and air defense cost pressure. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.